Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see behind me, I visited Miniso recently. It's a store, it's a Japanese store basically. I had no idea what it is and what all to expect from the store. But I went there today and I went to the one that's in Amanora Mall in Pune. So it's in various locations. You can just look it up in Google or I'll just paste it in the description. So there are few stores that I know about. One of my friend told me that there is a store in Pavilion Mall, which is a bit far from my place. But I wanted to visit this store since I am really fascinated with all the stuff that Japan has to offer. I just went there. I was hoping that there will be a lot of pink, pink, pink everywhere. There was, but there were mind-blowing things there. So let's get to the store.
The store is located at the entrance of the Amanora Mall. So when you enter the mall, you will be able to see the store on the right. So when I entered the store, I understood that it's just huge and there are lots and lots of things inside. So first on the counter was the makeup section. So let's see here. They have a lots of makeup, guys. They have lots of variety of lipstick, lip liners, lip glosses, and foundation, concealers, eyeliners. Just amazing. Also have a huge variety of body lotions and body moisturizers, which will really help you in this season. Moving forward, this was some toners and makeup removing liquids. Now we have entered the gifting section and they really have a huge variety and a huge range of selection. The travel bags here were really amazing and the material was really nice. Moving forward, this is the stationery. They have a huge variety of pens, pencils and diaries. This is the lingerie section in front of us and some water bottles on the right and the left. They also have some cute variety of boxes like the lunch boxes and the storage boxes. Walking forward, we have some hair brushes and combs on our left. Now we've entered the mobile accessory section and they have a huge range of variety here. The fragrances here are unique and there is a tester available for each and every fragrance that's on the aisle. These are some sanitary pads, mats on the right. They also have yoga mats and the gym equipment available. This was some cute travel bottles and you can refill them with all the shampoo or conditioner or toners that you need for your travel and really handy. Here are some cute eye masks and they really look nice and they were really cheap. This is the sleep-on section. They have a huge variety of sleep-ons and chappals and the homeware that you use on your daily basis. They also have some stick-on hangers and the hangers for your wardrobe. They have some really nice toothbrushes as well. And the last section that we see on the corner is some cute socks and undergarments for guys, and they also have big storage boxes.
This was all guys about the store. So I'm making another video. The video will be coming out tomorrow. So the video will be about the house. So whatever is in that bag, you will be able to send. I have done a lot of shopping, guys. A lot. Cheap. I'll tell you what to buy, what not to buy, and was it worth it. I'll just open few things in front of you. Let's see. So stay tuned and bye.